Student, I Sandeep hope you are all well at home. This is second part of your video class 7th. In previous video discuss input device. Some input device are again we are going to discuss. Here we having motion input. Motion input you can see from your book page number 5. One girl is there in the front of the screen and he's moving and she's moving their hand and same object is coming in the screen also. How this technology is working, see, here is some element input motion lets the user guide on screen element using air gesture involve moving your body or handle input device through with the air. With the air all the gestures are detecting and if and with the motion input a device containing a camera detecting your gesture and convert into digital signal. First, the cameras are very good qualities camera. These cameras are detecting their gesture when they're moving hand, same like the hand will be moving in the screen also. For example, gamer can swing their arm or controller to simulate rolling a ball down and land down to the pins. Okay, this is the best example for motion input. Next we are having touch screen. Touch screen, all are familiar with touch screen because all are using mobile in these days at home. When we touch the screen, the sensor is there and this sensor is working. Suppose you want to play music, you want to play games, you want to open WhatsApp, you are with the hands with your finger you are touching on WhatsApp and this WhatsApp icon is open. This is assignment for you. Update your knowledge. You have to find out the things: tap, double tap, press and hold, drag or slide, swipe, stretch and pitch. These things you have to find out yourself and write the common uses of these things. You can get this on page number 5. You have to write on your notebook motion, description and common use of these motions. Next input device we are having graphic tablet. Graphic tablet is also called digitizer. It is an input device. Earlier I told you we are discussing the input device. Graphic tablet is a tablet. It is used for get the digital signature. When we want to put the digital signature in this case, when we are doing registration for your ICSE board or for making any cards, especially for a driving license, they need our signature. How they are getting our signature? They are having graphic tablet and with the help there is one pen, special pen on with this tablet. We are putting our signature in this tablet and digital signature is coming on the screen. Okay, same way when you are going to registration in your ICSE board exam, so this process you have to also follow this process for your signature. It is called graphical tablet. Next we are having microphone. We all are familiar with the microphone and headphone is the same thing. It is one of the input device. Microphone is a voice input device used to send your voice into computer. Okay, we are sending this voice into our computer with help of the microphone, and same headphone we are also using to put a voice in our mobile. Next we are having digital camera. All are familiar with the digital camera because we are clicking the photographs even in your school functions. We are clicking the photograph. Digital camera is an input device. We are putting we are clicking the photograph in the digital camera and then we are copying this photograph in computer. It is also one of the input device. Next we are having web camera. Web camera is used, it is a real-time camera that enable user to capture video and still image, make video, telephone calls. This all thing is done by the web camera. Web cameras usually come with the software that help us to set up and use the camera. For using web camera we need a special software. Like you want to video call directly with the help of the video call, you have front camera in your phone, it is same like a webcam which is in your book, but webcam cannot work without a software. You want to do video call, how it is possible that you will do video call? Because for doing the video call we need a special software. Here it is given, in your book also it is given. Web camera usually come with the software that help us to set up, use the web camera. We need a software. Okay, again I will tell you, for video call we need a special software. Like in the phone we need a special software, it may be WhatsApp, it may be Skype, for using video call. Next we are having scanner. Scanner is used to scan the things. How this scanner is working, like you have some documents with you, you want these documents in your computer in digital form, you will put this document in the scanner, and from the scanner software we have to give the command for scan, and scanning process will start. After finishing this process, the same document will come in our computer. Next we are having barcode reader. Barcode reader is the lines, thin lines are there, you can see, and with the help of barcoder we are detecting these lines, and the price list of manufacturing, price list and date of manufacturing is coming in front of our computer. Next we having OMR. OMR is same like this barcode reader. OMR is a scanner that read the mark of specific area of a page. The scanner is enabled to detect the mark area by swimming a beam of light onto on the document, because it is more easy work for us, and with the help of this we are capturing the things, we are getting input. Next we having magnetic ink character recognize reader. The short form of this MICR. MIC reader is input device used to identify the magnified characters printed on the screen. These things especially we are getting on the checks. So these are the input device. Hope you will understand the things which I discussed in this video. Next we'll discuss output device. You have also read about your output device on page number 7. I will make video on output devices also. So this is assignment for you. You have to find out the thing which I